Good morning. It's Monday, October 9th, 2023. This is your Georgia WeatherNet morning update. Skies are clear, no precipitation around. Cool temperatures once again this morning as we see our 30s and 40s. Brunswick is at 55, just so they can be a little different. But other than that, cool air throughout the state. Macon's at 39, Canton at 37. Not showing up here on the board, but Blairsville's at 34. They stayed just above freezing all weekend, even yesterday morning with all the cold. The lowest temperature in Blairsville is 34. So unofficially, we had a few spots that probably hit the freezing mark, but officially, we were very close. Very cool, but just above freezing. Let's take a look at a couple of weather makers that we're going to be talking about. First of all, in the southern Gulf of Mexico, you can see a big storm system there. This is starting to get a little bit more organized, but it's going to move to the northeast fairly quickly, head toward Florida, Alabama, Mississippi, and will bring us quite a bit of rain by Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and even some showers left over Saturday morning. Just a 20% chance of this developing into a named storm over the next 48 hours. And again, by then, it's going to be near land along the Gulf coast of the United States, so going to run out of time. But one way or another, we're still going to see a lot of rain from it. And then this one's going to be interesting. Tropical Storm Lydia expected to continue to strengthen into a hurricane. We'll put it in the middle of the screen here. And this storm will move toward the Pacific coast of Mexico, cut all the way across Mexico, and possibly make its way into the Gulf of Mexico. Now, it's going to be very disorganized by then. The terrain of Mexico is not very friendly to tropical systems, but one way or another, we could see another batch of rain from Lydia, and one of those unusual circumstances where a storm actually makes it all the way from the Pacific across Mexico and into the Gulf of Mexico. But that does happen from time to time. Let's take a look at one of the model forecasts I want to show you. This is our rainfall estimates between now and Friday night. You can see over 2 inches of rain expected for parts of South and Middle Georgia, fairly dry in Northwest Georgia. That is part of that system I was talking about in the southern Gulf of Mexico. So we're going to see it cut across mainly South Georgia and bring quite a bit of rain as we move through the week. But no rain today. High pressure stays locked in. Plenty of sunshine. Will be a little breezy in parts of North Georgia today. Those gusts 15 to 20 miles per hour. This afternoon also looking good as well. And as we head into the overnight hours, things are pretty quiet. Now notice the high pressure is going to slowly exit off to the right, just kind of creeping out of here. So as we move through tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening, we'll see a few extra clouds start to build up. And then by Wednesday, even more cloud cover. We see the rain from that Gulf system moving up into Alabama, into the Florida Panhandle, and then moving into parts of southwest Georgia by Wednesday afternoon. So we'll see increasing clouds across the state on Wednesday, and that tropical air continues to move in. There you go, some heavy rainfall moving in. We'll be right on the front side of that storm from Columbus all the way through Albany, Blakely, and Bainbridge, and Valdosta picking up some heavy rain, some lighter rain up in North Georgia. Again, those radar estimates not showing a whole lot in the northwest corner of the state, but we'll see some showers here and there as we move through the day on Wednesday. And this is going to continue to push across Georgia through the day on Thursday and Friday. Should be out of here completely as we head into Saturday afternoon. That's your morning weather update from the Georgia WeatherNet. Now your local forecast from Northwest Georgia to Southeast Georgia.